PST everybody, hi. I'm Elaina. You can find me on Painted as Raven Season 2 on Well Presents Plus right now. I do face paint, drag looks, different makeup looks. Check it out, it's on my channel. So in this video, we're doing Jessica Wild look, and this is Rupauls Drag Race All Stars Season 8. And this is one of the most current looks, and it's a snow bunny. So she just posted this on Instagram, so I decided to give her a tribute. She's a sweetheart, so there you go. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and follow me on social media. All the links are down below. So let's get right into this. So I'm starting with Kimchi Chic, the most concealer, medium beige and solid white. Already got foundation on and Revolution Pro, full cover in 10. And now we highlight, and just a regular highlight under the eyes, forehead, above the lip, the usual, the a diamond kind of shape. And then we're going to counter with my go-to Aesthetica palette. And this is the indie brand. I got this from Buckle Charm. So I'm just contouring, looking at her pictures. I got a bunch of shots from Instagram, and this particular look was posted on Instagram. I actually like the look on the show rather than Instagram because it had blue lipstick, and on Instagram she had pink lipstick. I know it's like a nitpicky, but I do like blue glitter lipstick better. I'm doing the detailed nose because Jessica Wild nose as a boy too and in drag, it's very narrow, the bridge, like very narrow bridge, and she's got pretty prominent brow bone. So I'm kind of gonna highlight like right above my new fake brow to create the brow bone look, and the nose is wider on the bottom and very narrow like between the eyes. So I'm kind of doing that illusion thing, like under the nose you can see the darkness. So yeah, I'm doing the crease and the brows with the same palette. And just to create the shape, she does the crease like very close to the nose, going to a nose contour. And it's gonna give me more of a resemblance. So I'm already set, so I'm doing a contour with Taylor Contour 03 Chocolate, my usual go-to Kimchi Chic Beauty. Again, going by the same lines I did it with cream contour. And setting the brows with the same contour palette just to make them darker. It's not a very dark brow look because she's blonde in that picture. She's a snow bunny, and she's got like sunglasses on the forehead. So I'm not really worried about the forehead that much. I'm just kind of doing it because she's got pretty good arch on the brow, and it kind of swoops down. And I'm emphasizing contour a little bit, and then we're gonna go with the eyeshadow over it. But it's very important to emphasize what I've done before to keep the resemblance going. I know my nose is not the same at all, and hers is wider on the nostrils, longer, a little bit of a hook, but you know, we do what we can. I kind of do the same thing when I did with Madonna impersonation, when I kind of drew the lines of the nose, like the new nose. It looks fake, but you know, in pictures looks good. Using Arvina Volume 2 because I have lots of blues. On the show, it looked a little more muddy, kind of a muddy blue, but I think on the show they're more rushed. You know, it's always like more bright and pigmented on Instagram, and I'm doing more of an Instagram eye look. But the lips, I do like the blue glitter lips, as I mentioned. Dipping in the crease with the same Nervina palette, and I'm going right into the bridge of the nose to make that bridge appear even smaller. Under eyes, doing the same kind of blue, and we're gonna do the waterline in black. So I already did the waterline here, and I deepened the crease with black. Now we're doing the cut crease with Kimchi Chic, the most concealer in white. Just a very basic cut crease. And setting with the sugar peel white. Because I grabbed that Norvina palette, it had no white in it, so I'm using sugar peel. I'm blending it together with the blue. Now we're doing kimchi bronzer, and this is I went to Miami, my go-to, and Mercedes, my favorite from kimchi. Love that blush. This is just the color from Instagram. On the show it was a little more subtle, but I decided to go with the blush air blush. And this is kimchi almost catfished. I use a lot of kimchi, don't I? But I love kimchi makeup. So this is almost catfished white powder and real good for brightening the middle. And this is sugar pill white, and I'm using it for details to make some areas appear bigger. The nose, the nostrils a little wider, just the illusion. Now we're doing the lips. I already put the eyelashes on. That's 301 stacked with kimchi eyelashes. I think it was this bish. I'm not sure which bish it was. But yeah, we're doing the lips in blue and using Maybelline lipstick. And we're going to add glitter, my favorite part. I'm like, yes, glitter, please. I want glitter. And I use one of my favorite formulas of glitter, Profusion, the old Profusion glitter. I just love that formula. It sticks so well. It doesn't fall off. It's not greasy. It's just perfect, just right. And the color looks just like what you had on the TV show in that episode. I'm using kimchi glitter shard, of course, just to add extra because she did have glitter on her cheeks on the episode. And this is Supernova, I believe it. And we got the final reveal. Jessica Wilde look from category is Snow Bunny. I mean, it's not exactly the same, but it's very similar. So I'm gonna explain to you what this is. This is the backdrop for my cats. Because as you might know, my cats are meowdles. They're Instagram models. So I post them on their own account, all three of them, and this is usually their like where they sit on this fur blanket. Yes, that's a straw blanket for cats, and I just put it on my head. Cause yeah, I'm in LA, I don't have fur. I don't have any warm clothes like that. But anyway, there you go. This is sunglasses I used to wear for cycling. Put some Walmart gems on it because, nothing is done without Walmart craft department. Perfusion glitter, of course. And yeah, there you have it. The colors are blue, kind of like the way she was wearing. So it's very similar. I tried to make a resemblance with the nose because, as you might know, bigger nose, and Jessica's nose is very prominent, and that's not the shade, it's the T. It's I did the similar thing when I did Madonna and other people with longer nose. So I did the shade here, the shadow, as if my nose is longer, white in the middle, white on the sides, because she has like a wider nostrils here. So there you go, just a little bit of resemblance. She's got very prominent brow bone as well, so I put like white here and dark under to kind of simulate like, kind of similar thing. And yes, I did this mostly like the live show look rather than Instagram, because Instagram look, the lips are pink, and I really like blue glitter. I think it kind of went together better. I like blue glitter lips way better. And Instagram, she went into the tight with a bright pink blush. And I'm like, no, I wouldn't blue glitter. Because, glitter. So what do you guys think? Congratulations, Jessica Wilde. You're the sweetheart, and if you're watching this, I love you, my girl. And she's a sweetheart, really is. If you missed what I was talking about, DrugCon, I saw Jessica Wilde at Mickey's a couple of times, and that was before the season 8 All Stars premiered. And she was so warm and she was so nice. I mean, like as a boy, he's a real nice person, but she would like hug and like I love you, and then like does she even know me? and then on DrugCon, she recognized me like, oh hi, come over, hang out with us. I'm like,
she remembers me, really. Which is like very nice, people like know who the hell you are. So she was very sweet, and she responds on Instagram if I message her. So I'm very, very, very proud of you. You did amazingly well. And the top three, it's a huge accomplishment. I was hoping they're gonna keep like top three for for the final, but they ended up with top two. But everybody's talented, so it's a game. I'm not mad at it, but I'm very happy how far you've gone, and I'm very happy how well she did. She's a sweet person. She's very talented, so love you. So hopefully I did you proud. I need to take this off because I'm sweating bullets right now. This is very warm. So let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment below. Do like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Ring notification bell, and follow me on social media. Check it out. All the links are down in the description box. So love you all, guys, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next fabulous video. Hannies. Oh, I had to do all.